Hey you guys, Karen Baskett DIYer here. All right, we're gonna have fun with some HTV today. I'm snagging the white matte HTV from this GO2Craft kit, and I'm just gonna get it rolled out here on my 12 by 12 mat and trim it up. I'm going with a 12 by 12 full-size sheet here just because I know that that's the maximum size I need for the design I'm going to be doing, which I will be getting that design right out of Creative Fabrica. I've already downloaded it, but I'm showing you exactly how I did it. I opened up Creative Fabrica and then I searched for Cool Moms Club, and all these images came up, but this is the one I am going to use because this is the one my daughter selected and sent me. So I'm just going to download it, and I'm going to open up the SVG form of it, and then I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space and upload straight from my recent downloads. Now you can expect to see it in my recent uploads. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to make sure that it is set to basic cut, which it is an SVG, so that means that it will be. I'm going to go ahead and turn it white so that we can kind of get it all on one mat. You'll see the little established 2022 that I already have there. So yes, I want this all to be cut on one mat. I maxed out the size at 11.5 inches and utilized the whole width of my mat. Next, I ran it through my Cricut machine, and now then I'm just weeding out the HTV. This does seem to weed really easily, and I am using the tool and the mat, both that came in that GO2Craft kit. Now I just cut my two images apart for the front and back, and then trim away the excess transfer sheet so that it just makes it easier when applying my image to my garment. The kit also comes with some accessories such as a measuring tape, which is super great, and I'm using it here as you see to get my design in place, about 7 inches down for the pocket. Next, I'm using one of the t-shirt guides that came in the kit as well, and I'll be using this to get everything all nice and centered up and in place. I did have to use some heat-resistant tape for the images to hold them in place because the transfer sheets are not super sticky. Now I'm just sticking it in my HTVRONT auto heat press at 305 for 15 seconds. I allowed it to cool off for just a bit, and then I removed the transfer sheet. After I peel the transfer sheet, I always like to stick it back in the heat press with the Teflon sheet over it to press it for just another 8 to 10 seconds. And then I flipped it over and did the same process to the front for the little decal. I think this turned out so incredibly cute. It's a super simple project for a beginner. If you have an HTVRONT auto heat press or any kind of heat press, you can create something like this. Creative Fabrica has so many fun designs to choose from, by the way. Also, this GO2Craft HTV kit is super great because it comes with a lot of accessories and a great selection of HTV. They also have a really great Facebook community that you can join. I'll drop that in the description below, along with all the other product links. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my next video.